Hello students, today I am going to teach you subject geography of class 8. This is chapter 2, land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. Today we will take the topic that is degradation of soil and conservation measures. Degradation of soil means the quality of the soil is degraded day by day. And what are the conservation measures, how they can be protected, this will be discussed in the topic. The first thing you should know that because of some human and natural factors, the degradation of soil is seen. Human and natural factors are responsible for the degradation of soil. Then what are the factors? These are deforestation, overgrazing, overuse of chemical fertilizers or pesticides, rainwash and landslides and floods. Then how this can be protected, means soil can be protected. Some methods are given here. The first method C, that is mulching. Mulching means to cover up. So the bare ground between plants is covered with a layer of organic matter like a straw. It helps to retain soil moisture. Sometimes after harvesting, the whole ground, whole plot is covered by this straw, and this helps to retain soil moisture. The second method is contour barriers. So contour that is the line between the contour is a line that joins the area of equal elevation. So the area of equal elevation barriers should be made. Then what type of barriers? Stones, grass, soil are used to barriers along these contours, and trenches are made in front of the barriers to collect water. After the next method, that is rock dam. Rocks are piled up to slow down the flow of water. This prevents gullies and further soil loss. After that is terrace farming. This is terrace farming, as you can see. So broad flat steps or terraces are made on the steep slopes so that flat surfaces are available to grow crops. They reduce surface runoff and soil erosion. After terrace farming, the next method that is used, that is intercropping. Intercropping means different crops are grown in alternate rows and are sown at different times to protect the soil from rainwash. So different crops, and they are sown in different times, so every time one crop is there on the plot, and that protects the soil from rainwash. Now next one, that is contour plowing. as you can see in this picture, plowing parallel to the contours of a hill slope to form a natural barrier for water to flow down the slope. So it also reduces soil erosion. And next one, that is shelter belts. These are the shelter belts in the coastal and dry regions. Row of trees are planted to check the movement to protect soil cover. So these are the methods by which the soil resource can be protected. Thank you.